Right, I am here at Elm Creek, and it has not rained at all here, and I don't think it's going to rain. We're going to do the easy loop real quick. It's a little damp here, I would expect it, but this is such a fun, easy loop that I even like it. Let's see if I could do the whole thing without brakes. Let's see. Let's get a little bit of train to it. So I'm getting excited to go back into the Grizzland. I think that's the only thing I'm going to film here today, other than bits and pieces here and there. Whatever. There are a lot of log rollers here, if you want to call them that. I don't know what the terminology is. I'm glad I'm here. I'm glad I'm riding. I'm glad I'm going to have fun. These trails are so packed and so well ridden, so well kept. You can just go bonkers and not worry about stuff. I don't think I have ridden this trail on this bike yet. So I'm not going to be putting any new trails in here because I've ridden everything. Unless there's something new that they did, which I don't think that's the case, but I guess nobody really knows. And I can get out and have some squeaky stuff from my bike, so get back to the car and I'll see if I have my lube. This place is the Lord of the Islets. An islet is where it's an I-shaped, like right here, it could go this way and that way, rather than just going the one way. And the islets here are super fun. So, everything here is super fun. You just gotta ride it, man. This is just such an easy, quick, yep, here we go, intersection. So we'll be coming down that when you come back. This is an islet here, and there's a blue trail to the right, which is a lot of fun. But here we have all kinds of good stuff, lots of rollers, do some speed, do some stuff, and it's just a hoot. That's pretty much it, folks. Ride with a backwards hat. There's an islet. Fun islet. Woo! Yeah. And then we're going back to the parking lot pretty much. That's my warm-up. I don't really need a warm-up. This morning was a warm-up. You notice how I went from 16 to 57? Craziness. I kind of wanted to do that first because I wanted to give the father and son way ahead of me. And that's what that did. Yay. Do the rocking reverse. Oh.